This is one of the best recipes you've never heard of. Gâteau Magique, obviously it's French, and it's the one that has the most screwed up directions because you do everything backwards. It all happens just like magic in the oven, hence the name Gâteau Magique. You have a base layer, a creamy custard layer, and a fluffy egg white topping. We brown butter to start. You know, just as like making caramel sauce. When it starts to go, it goes fast. So one thing you can always do is take something just off, instead of turning the heat down. The pan's not going to cool down fast if it's still on the heat. Just take it off the heat, and that'll help. American butter is about 82% solids and 18% water, something like that. So you're going to get rid of a lot of water. I think the problem with the science of cooking is there's a useful part that actually helps you be a better cook, and then there's just nonsense. Like if you ask people about gluten, nobody has a clue what it is or why it matters. So you're starting to color now, so you want to pay attention. The problem is when you have the foam, you have to look underneath because it's starting to brown. But as it cooks, the foam starts to go down and you can see the color. It's really started to brown. But you don't want to burn it, of course. Next step is brown sugar with egg yolks. And we're going to beat that to the ribbon 4 or 5 minutes. And this is going to create a lot of the lift of the cake because there's no leavener except egg whites and this. That's what you want. So now we're going to add the brown butter. And then you completely destroy it by adding a whole bunch of milk and vanilla. And now you're back to essentially a milkshake. The French are very strange, but you wouldn't know it unless you made this recipe because it's an odd way of doing it. What you end up with the end is magic. So I guess they know what they're doing.
All technique stuff goes out the window with this.
So now we're going to whisk the 4 egg whites. We had 4 egg yolks. We're not going to add sugar to it, which is another weird thing, which normally we would do. But don't forget, you're trying to end up in a place where it's not just a regular cake. It's a 3-layer kind of magic cake. So the techniques are different.
Yeah, it's
Really? I really am overbeating them? Oh, this recipe me off.
No, we can't use that.
Why not? You have to get thick, stiff whites, which I would never use. One of the points of the recipe is the whites don't actually get fully folded into the batter. You have little pieces of them, which creates an interesting texture. I'm doing everything I tell people not to do. So 325 oven for 45, 50 minutes, something like that. So it looks like a big mistake. You can see those little egg white pieces are still there. But now it's the big reveal. You can see the 3 layers, a bottom layer, a middle layer, and a top layer. So it's a little like an American pudding cake, or like a Fannie Farmer pudding cake. Except instead of 2 layers, it has 3. The French are always trying to do, one-up us. Okay, I admit it's really good. I would say it's the most screwed up bunch of instructions ever for making a cake. But it's the way you've got to do it if you want a Gâteau Magique.